Hello and a very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. Got this beautiful ruby red Ford Cougar 2 litre diesel titanium power shift intelligent all-wheel drive with a full Ford service history and super low miles at only 14,900. Around the back we've got privacy glass and we've got roof rails to connect all your favourite Ford accessories, so if extra luggage space is needed or mounting back racks, just easily attachable. On the door handle there we've got keyless entry, Isofix child seat anchor points there in the back to aid in keeping babies, children and toddlers as safe as possible. 12 volt power supply in both the boot, the back and in the front here. We've also got 2 keys with every Perrys car, electronic handbrake. In the centre we've got your power shift gearbox, dual zone climate control including air conditioning and heated front windscreen, latest Sync 3 control system with integrated satellite navigation and live traffic information and traffic avoidance technology. We've got audio which does include DAB radio, FM and AM, phone which includes Bluetooth telephony and Bluetooth audio streaming, navigation as we saw earlier on, application downloads and settings menu, push button stop start, speed limiter and cruise control, menu function controls, so you've got a number of choices and you can tailor make the appearance on the front there. Volume control for both Bluetooth and audio and Bluetooth control. Enhanced voice command, so you can command most of the features just using your voice. So simple to use. Power to all 4 windows, fold away door mirrors, automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers and auto dimming rear view mirror. Finish this car off beautifully. It's stunning inside, there's no pet odours, no smoking odours, really nice clean car. So travel along to see us folks, it will be worth your while, not only because the car's fantastic, but we scrutinise the pricing on a daily basis to make sure you're getting a bargain. Not only that though, it's been prepared by 4 trained technicians. Our aftercare service and service is award winning, so travel along and we'll hope to see you soon. Thanks very much for watching, bye bye for now.